Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to use the Descript application. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and download the official Descript application. And you can do that guys on their official Descript.com website right here. After you go ahead and sign up for account, after signing in, it will automatically take you to the page where you will be able to download the application. So guys, after downloading the application and installing it, go ahead and log into your account. And after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. As you can see in the main page at the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see all of the menu options that you can use in the Descript application. Here you will be able to see your drive, you can see your projects and so on. Here in the middle of the screen, you will be able to see all of the projects that you are working on. As you can see, I currently have 2 projects right here. And the most important thing guys is in the upper right corner right here, you'll be able to see the option called New Project. And you'll be able to use this button for creating a new project. So guys, go ahead and click on new project right here if you want to start a new project. And after clicking on new project guys, now this will open up this new page where you can see we can go ahead and create our project. So let's go ahead and give it a name. Let's say YouTube project tutorial. Let's say this is the name of the video. Now we can choose if we want to select a file from our PC to transcribe, or if we want to record our own file right now. We can even start writing or start from a template, but we will not be using this option. You can either choose a file to transcribe or you can start recording. If you click on start recording guys, you can go ahead and see here you'll be able to have the option to record, and after recording guys, it will automatically transcribe the text that you have into the application. So let's go ahead and try it out by clicking record right here. As you can see, it is starting. And now guys, you can see we are using the application. And yeah guys, as you can see, it will automatically start using the application. After you have finished talking, it will go ahead and start transcribing your text into the application. After that guys, you'll be finished and you can go ahead and edit with your project if you want to change the sound, if you want to change the text and so on. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.